Hello and welcome to Practice English Daily, the podcast that helps you learn English in a fun and simple way.
Hi everyone, I'm Eric.
And I'm Jessica. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us today.
Today we have a very useful topic, a topic you will use every day. We are going to talk about work and hobbies.
Yes, these are two things we talk about all the time when we meet new people. We will teach you the simple words and phrases you need to have these conversations.
We want you to feel confident. By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your job and what you like to do for fun.
That's right. And before we start, if you like our show, please take a moment to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot and means we can make more lessons for you.
Okay, are you ready? Let's begin.
All right, let's start with work. Eric, I have a question for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
What do you do?
That's a great question. I am a teacher.
A teacher. That's a wonderful job. Where do you work?
I work at a school. It's a nice school with many students. I am busy every day, but I like it.
I understand being busy. At my job, I have many meetings and I write a lot of emails.
It sounds like you work in an office.
Yes, I do. I work for a big company. My colleagues are very friendly.
That's so important. Okay, everyone listening. That was a small conversation about work. Did you understand some of it? It's okay if you didn't. We are going to explain it now, step by step.
Let's listen to the conversation again, but this time very slowly. What do you?
I am a teacher.
Where do you?
Where do you?
Okay, let's talk about the first question. I asked Eric, what do you do?
This is the most common question to ask about someone's job. What do you do means what is your job or what is your profession? It's a very polite and friendly question.
Exactly. You can ask anyone this question. What do you do? Now, let's look at Eric's answer. He said, I am a teacher.
These are the simplest way to answer. You use the words I am a and then your job. For example, I am a doctor. I am a student. I am an engineer. I am a driver.
It's so easy. Let's practice. If your job is a writer, what do you say?
You say, I am a writer. Good job. Okay, the next question Jessica asked was, where do you work?
This question asks about the place of your work, the location. Eric's answer was, I work at a school.
We use the phrase, I work at, to talk about the place. It's very useful. For example, I work at a hospital. I work at a restaurant. I work at an office.
You can also say, I work in a. It's very similar. I work in a school or I work in an office. Both are correct and people will understand you. You are doing great.
Now, let's look at some other useful words from our conversation. I said, I am busy every day. The word busy, B-U-S-Y, means you have many things to do. You don't have much free time.
Yes, many people are busy at work. You can say, I am busy today, or my work is very busy.
Another word Jessica used was meeting. She said, I have many meetings. A meeting is when people at work come together to talk about something.
That's right. Meetings are very common in an office job. And another word is email, E-M-A-I-L. An email is a message you send from a computer or phone. I said, I write a lot of emails. This is a very common work activity today.
It is. And the last word is colleague, C-O-L-L-E-G-U. A colleague is a person you work with, your work friend.
Yes, my colleagues are the people in my office. They are my team. So let's put it all together. You can say, I am a teacher. I work at a school. I am very busy. I don't have many meetings, but I talk to my colleagues every day.
That's a perfect description. You are improving so much already. Now, let's do our special practice. We are going to listen to our first conversation one more time. See if you can understand everything now.
What do you do?
That's a great question. I am a teacher.
A teacher. That's a wonderful job. Where do you work?
I work at a school. It's a nice school with many students. I am busy every day, but I like it.
I understand being busy. At my job, I have many meetings and I write a lot of emails.
It sounds like you work in an office.
Yes, I do. I work for a big company. My colleagues are very friendly.
How was that? Did you understand more this time? I am sure you did. Fantastic work.
Okay, so we talked about work, but life is not all work, right, Eric?
That's right. We also have free time. And in our free time, we have hobbies.
A hobby is something you do for fun, not for money. It's for you to enjoy and relax.
So let's have another short conversation, this time about hobbies. Jessica, I will start.
Okay.
Jessica, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books. I also enjoy cooking. What about you, Eric? What is your hobby?
I have a few hobbies. I like to play the guitar. And on weekends, I often go running in the park.
That sounds very active and fun. I don't play an instrument, but I love to listen to music.
Listening to music is a great hobby too. Okay, everyone, that was our chat about hobbies. Now, let's break it down, just like we did with work.
Let's listen one more time, slowly.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books. I also enjoy cooking.
I like to play the guitar. I often go running.
Great. The first question Eric asked was, what do you do in your free time?
This is the best question to ask about hobbies. Free time is the time when you are not at work and not busy, your relaxation time. So, what do you do in your free time means, what are your hobbies?
And my answer was, I like to read books. This is a very important phrase, I like to. You can use this for so many hobbies. You say, I like to, and then you add the action, the verb. For example, I like to watch movies. I like to paint. I like to walk in the park.
It's so useful. Let's practice. If your hobby is dancing, what do you say?
You say, I like to dance. Excellent. Now, I also said another phrase. I said, I also enjoy cooking.
This is another wonderful phrase. I enjoy. It means the same as I like, but the grammar is a little different. After enjoy, we add the verb with ing at the end.
Yes, so I said, I enjoy cooking, not I enjoy to cook. This is a small but important detail. Let's look at more examples. I enjoy swimming. I enjoy reading. I enjoy listening to music.
So you can say, I like to swim, or I enjoy swimming. Both are perfect. People will understand you completely. You have two options. Choose the one that feels easiest for you.
That's great advice, Eric. Now, let's talk about some specific hobby words. Eric said, I like to play the guitar.
We use the verb play for two things, musical instruments and sports. For instruments, I play the guitar. I play the piano. For sports, I play soccer. I play tennis. I play basketball.
It's a very useful verb. And Eric also said, I often go running.
Yes, for some activities, especially activities that end in ing, we use the verb go. For example, I go running. I go swimming. I go shopping. I go fishing.
It's a very common pattern in English. You are all doing so well to learn these small rules. It will make your English sound very natural.
Okay, you know what time it is. It's time to listen to our hobby conversation one more time at normal speed. Listen carefully and see how much you understand now.
Jessica, what do you do in your free time? In my free time, I like to read books. I also enjoy cooking. What about you, Eric? What is your hobby?
I have a few hobbies. I like to play the guitar, and on weekends, I often go running in the park.
That sounds very active and fun. I don't play an instrument, but I love to listen to music.
What do you think? It's much clearer now, right? You are making real progress. That is something to be proud of.
Wow, that was a lot of new English today. You did a fantastic job listening and learning.
Let's do a very quick recap of the most important phrases from today's lesson.
Good idea. For work, the big question is, what do you do?
And you can answer, I am a, and then your job. For example, I am a chef.
And to talk about the location, you can say, I work at a restaurant.
Excellent. Now for hobbies. The main question is, what do you do in your free time?
And you have two great ways to answer. You can say, I like to read.
Or you can say, I enjoy reading. Remember, they both mean the same thing.
Great recap. And now, for our favorite part of the show, we want to hear from you. It's your turn to practice.
Yes, we have 2 questions for you today. Please write your answers in the comments section below this video. We read every single one.
Question number 1 is, what do you do for work?
And question number 2 is, what is your favorite hobby?
You can write a very simple answer. For example, I am a student. I like to play video games.
Or, I work at a shop. I enjoy watching movies. Simple sentences are perfect for practice. We can't wait to learn more about you.
We love reading your comments. It helps us feel connected to all of you amazing learners around the world.
That is all for today. Thank you so much for listening to Practice English Daily.
Keep practicing. Every little bit helps. You are improving every day. We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.